Hello, calculus students and seekers of truth. Welcome to another example of integration by parts. And here we have a problem to integrate sine of x times x. And I've chosen f to be the x here and g prime to be the sine. The reason for that is I want to choose f such that its derivatives will get simpler and simpler. And if you continue taking the derivative of x, you get 1 and you get 0. So that'll make it simpler once we put it into this integral. And g prime I've chosen to be sine because I know it's antiderivative. Now both of these x and sine are pretty simple, and we know the antiderivative of both. But you want to pick again, go to the one with f that has the simplest derivative. And then I've written down here the rule for integration by parts, and this is really just the reverse of the product rule for derivatives. So the antiderivative of f times g prime, which is what we have here, is equal to f times g. So f here is x. G is the antiderivative of sine, which is cosine x. Negative cosine x. Minus the antiderivative of f prime, and you can see here how choosing f as x makes things simpler. The derivative of x here makes it 1 times g again, which is the antiderivative of sine, which is negative cosine dx. Okay, so just a little bit of simplifying. We have a negative and a negative here, so that can become a plus. Okay. So this is negative x cosine of x plus the antiderivative of cosine dx, which is just sine. And plus some constant. So there you have it, another example of integration by parts, of some logic or some advice in how to choose f and how to choose g prime. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.